Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, February 7th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure to check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound did continue to drift up, and with this big bearish candle right here, I actually wouldn't be surprised if it did go up to at least the 50 or the 61.8. I am definitely looking for a bounce at a Fibonacci level, whether it's the 61, 50, or even possibly the 78, to the downside for a break of structure. I mean, if you do trade below the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would continue to look for longs because it very easily could go up to the 61%, maybe even the 78%, especially with this big liquidity area right here. But if we do get a nice Fibonacci bounce, if we do get a nice break of structure or something like that at one of these Fib levels, I would definitely still take it as a short because I'm not really convinced that this is going to go up and make a new high. I still think there's a very good chance that it will bounce off a Fib level and continue the downtrend. So if you're trading below the 1 hour time frame, continue to look for shorts. If you are trading above the 1 hour, I would look for a Fibonacci bounce for an entry to go short. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.